Hello, everybody. Fortuna Flow, Darwin Fortuna here, your licensed architect that invests in crypto. Market updates overall, we're looking really good, guys. We are again above the $1 trillion market cap, which is very important. And if you can't see it, here it is. That's very important. We were below that, and that was a little dangerous. But who is bringing that up? What's the coin that's bringing all of that up? Well, there you go. Bitcoin is outperforming most assets right now. It is up 12.9% for the week. Only Solana and Avalanche are almost about the same level as Bitcoin. Actually, Solana is higher, and Avalanche is just about the same. Other coins that are up for the week, Ethereum Classic is 0.57% for the week, but Bitcoin is outperforming a lot of assets. Who would have thought that from going down to 18,000 last week, we would be right now at 22,000? That just tells you right there how resilient and strong Bitcoin is. It is very, very strong. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. Look how that looks. That's just beautiful. Beautiful structure. Very nice. So we had this rally all the way back from the 9th and held this right here as a structure right here. We were just consolidating there, then consolidated here. It is very beautiful. I like this. Like, let me show you. This to me is beautiful. I don't necessarily like that. That's unsustainable. But these consolidation and forming a series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and consolidating there, that's beautiful. So we are back above 22,300, which is very, very nice. I expect that we will look right there. We're holding this as resistance. By the way, these lines, I don't just make these lines up like randomly. They are support and resistance lines that I throw all the way from the back, right, from other moments in the price history. And the stochastic right here is not overbought right now, so we do have room for the on the upside. And you guys know we're expecting inflation data coming up, so that's what's holding us steady right now. And we know the CPI data will come up positive. That's what I believe. That's what I think. No financial advice. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is holding above 1700. Oof, I wish 17,000, which is very good. What's my move? I think I'm going to sell some Solana. Look what Solana did. And I'm probably going to buy some Ethereum because Ethereum merge, it's supposed to happen tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. It's supposed to happen like any time right now. Okay? So that said, I have no idea why it has retraced back. It should actually be pumping, and a lot of great news have been happening for Ethereum. But Solana skyrocketed today. It's one of the coins that has done the best today. Look at this. So for the day, Solana is up 7%, more than any of these other coins. And as you guys know, that's one of my babies, and I recycle back. So I likely will recycle my Solana and buy some Ethereum because I do believe Ethereum is gonna pump. And that's really my move, guys. I keep recycling from one coin to the other because I'm not here to marry a coin, as I always say. You know, if anything, why is Ethereum Classic not pumping as much as it should, right? It should probably be pumping more. So with the merge happening, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic should be pumping the most, but they're not. All right, so let's look at the chart for Ethereum. So here we're consolidating here. 37 is a very strong resistance. We'll try to fight it right now. 38 was when we got rejection, you know, just above 38. Right here is 38. I have my resistance above 38, about 38.42 for Solana. But let's see Ethereum. So Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, again, has been on this channel for a while now, guys. We've been just going back up, going back down, going back up, going back down, going back up. You know, that's like the bots are trading, basically. You know, they pick their tops and bottoms and they just keep selling and buying. But Ethereum Classic has great news. So look, our terahash of mining power, mining capabilities has gone up. So this is the all-time high, and we are just below the all-time high. So that's not too bad. It means we're still going up. So that's 56 is the all-time high. And if we go to the year, we're looking really good, right? Look at that, the all-time high. It's right there. So for the week, we just hit a second all-time high, basically. So Ethereum Classic is moving really well, really, really good. All right. So the proof of work consensus is getting a lot of support because Ethereum will no longer be mineable. So Ethereum Classic will be the next best option. All right. So this news I already covered. Overall, I already covered. So they're saying that Dogecoin is the Luna Classic is the Dogecoin of this year. Basically, it's been pumping up and down, up and down, up and down. It's just insane. Some bad news with Algorand, by the way. There was some freeze of assets happening on Algorand. I don't hold any Algorand. It's a coin a lot of people talk about, but I don't hold any of it. I don't know it. I don't believe much on it, so I have nothing to say about it. So one thing I wanted to show you about Solana very quickly. So this is where we were, right? We were above 100 not too long ago. So right now is probably one of the best buying opportunities of Solana's lifetime. Okay, so it's just to put things in perspective for people to take a look at it on the daily. All right, so on the daily we look very, very, very good. And even though it's up from what it's been, because it was like a 28 at some point, right? We still are very oversold overall. Okay, so I was trying to recycle. Maybe I'll recycle some Solana and buy some Ethereum, but we're looking to oversold, and I think that in the 45 minute we're probably gonna bounce back up. This is not when I sell or recycle. You recycle here and you buy here. You know, no, not a determination of when to buy. No financial advice for you, but I'm just looking at what I think. You guys know interest rates are right now at 2.5. Inflation is at 8.5, and we're gonna get a reading Wednesday. Actually, we're supposed to get a reading tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we're gonna be getting a reading for CPI data. So that's going to be huge, 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 huge. So expect that. It's gonna be coming up at about 12:30 p.m. So let's put that on our calendars. In fact, I'm gonna put that in my calendar right now. CPI data, CPI data. I'm gonna put it at 8 a.m. so that I remember. CPI data coming up. Okay, I just put it in my calendar so that I can remember. I have too much to track, so I forget to track these things. So as you guys know, so that's coming, and that's gonna tell us what the Fed should do. They're gonna start thinking about what they should do. And the markets are pretty certain that 0.75% is going to be 0.75 to 0.5% is going to be the case. That's what they're expecting. If we got like 0.25%, that would be super insane. In fact, even if we get just 0.5%, it's insane. They call it the pivot, and I'm gonna close with this. There's not so much news to talk about. So the pivot is the moment in which the Feds go from increasing interest rates to lowering interest rates, and that's when the markets start to rally. All right. So right now the markets have been doing these because the Feds have been pumping interest rates. So the moment they lower interest rates, they start lowering them. It's going to cause a big, big rally. Where are we on that? I think we're almost there. We're more than halfway through. Right, so I don't think that interest rates are gonna keep going on up much further after this, and I think that the rallies that we are waiting for are going to be happening. Bear market's not going to be over for the next, I think, at least the next 6 months, honestly, guys. So we're still gonna be having some buying opportunities. They're just not gonna be as good as they are right now. That's just my opinion. So to close it out, Ethereum still above 1700, which is great. Bitcoin is above 22,000, which is amazing. Ethereum Classic is above $38. Great. And my baby Solana is about the same price, almost the same price as Ethereum Classic. So we're looking very good. Watch out for tomorrow's data. All of this green is an indicator, because the markets know CPI data is going to come either at expectation or below, meaning it's going to be less inflation than what we have had, right? So they're expecting that we're going to be at 8.1, and right now the last one we had was at 8.5. That means that we're gonna be as good as all the way back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 readings ago, or 6 readings ago. All right, so that's going to be amazing. Thank you guys. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. Also, please, I've been promoting a film challenge that we got selected. My company, Flow Design Architects, got selected for. We've been getting a lot of momentum, a lot of support. The film is all about increasing diversity in the field of architecture and design. That's really the short version of it, which can only happen by inspiring the next generation of architects, which start all the way back in preschools, right? So if you'd like that cause, please go to the next videos. There's a video where I promote it, and vote for film. You're gonna need to put your email, and it doesn't even matter if you put a real email. You can put any email, I think, and a new and register with a password, and then you can vote. And the film name is The Change We Seek. This is what it looks like. So you can get a chance to vote. You can vote every 1 hour and a half or so, I think. In fact, let me see if I can vote again. No, I can't. We have right now 156 votes. We are, I think, on 3rd or 4th place. We won the 1st place, guys. So please go ahead and vote. It's a very inspiring story. I can tell you a couple of details about when we were filming this video, what was going on, where I was, how it was horrible. It was really hard to get this done, guys. Believe it or not, to create a 3-minute clip that tells the story about what we're doing, it's really difficult. So please go ahead, subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys are all doing great. I hope you guys are following my videos, because if you are, you're making a kill right now, because I am in the green. I'm in the green for the week, I'm in the green for the daily, I'm in the green 24/7 with the things I've been telling you, and not trying to give you financial advice. I've been getting it right a couple of times, thank God, right? Because I've gotten it wrong for a very long time. So I think I'm doing something right, and I'm gonna stick to it. I hope you guys are following. Thank you. Bye bye.